Pan-YunFu Equipment Company Limited was founded in 2019. Our company is located in Shenzhen City of Guangdong Province. We focusing on 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 heads cap embroidery machine with 9, 12, 15 needles. We have our own spare parts warehouse and assemble machine by every single component. So any spare parts needed in the future, we can deliver right away, providing you worry-free after-sales service. We also have enough machine body and accessories backup, capable for big order and quick delivery time. We have strict quality control system. All accessories must go through quality inspection before entering the warehouse, and only qualified accessories can be used to assemble the machine, so as to fundamentally control the quality. The machine is installed on a horizontal marble tabletop by experienced technicians, supplemented by sophisticated testing instruments. 48 hours strict testing after assembling. We thread all needles and test on both flat and cap frames. Make sure machine is 100% good condition before delivery. We adopted advanced technologies, constantly develop new designs based on market feedback. We can provide OEM service and recruit distributors all over the world. We can meet all your special demands, because we have professional design team, and we have sufficient capacity to support the rapid development of your business. Quality is the life. Choose YunFu. Choose the best for your business.